Okay, good morning. Uh, I'm here doing my oil change for my daily car, which is my Honda Pilot, so that doesn't feel neglected. That I'm only doing works on my Evo. So now time to do an oil change for my Honda Pilot. So I just bought the cheap one, 520. 5 quarts. We're gonna replace some wiper blades because it's old. Alright, and some oil filter. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do today. Just oil change for my daily Honda Pilot. That's it. I'm gonna prepare it. Alright, be back. Alright, back. So second stage is of course get your oil pan. Right, put it underneath. This is just to prepare it to do an oil change. Alright, it's because I'm short. I need a step. We're gonna open the oil cap. Check the dipstick if still have oil in there or how dirty the oil is. Okay, so it's right there. Check that. Feels like it's dry, so it's been used a lot of oil. Not really, but just saying. But anyway, right. So that's what we're gonna do. Change the oil. Be back when we do the actual removal of the drain plug in the bottom. Okay, next step is be in the bottom. So we're gonna use 17. Could be wrench or ratchet socket. I don't know if you can see right there. Right. There's nothing there. Right here, drain plug. I don't know if you can see. Okay, right there. The drain plug. We remove that one. And we're gonna let it drain. Let's see if it will drain. Boom. There you go. It's draining. Then we remove the filter after that. See, the good thing about the Honda oil change is like I don't have to go in the lift because it has enough space in the bottom to just scroll in there in the bottom and just remove the filter and the drain plug and drain the oil. So it's easier. So we let it drain first the oil and then we remove the oil filter, and then after that one put back the drain plug and then put a new oil filter. So that's the next step. What else? I guess that's the only thing that we're gonna do on this one. Just check everything is good. This is my daily, my Honda Pilot. Alright, so still draining. Be back later. Alright, next step is we're gonna remove the oil filter. To do so, either we're gonna use this or this for the oil filter removal. Let's see if we can do it. It's gonna be tight here at the bottom, but it works. Let me see. Oh, that's so big. This one is a good one. Uh-oh, I got the wrong filter. 71.7. Shit. bigger. Let's see. We had 6607 and this one 7317. Let's see if this one works. If not, we're gonna go back and run to Walmart. Just like that. Doing the same thing. Oops. Ouch. Yucky. See that? Oil in the hand. Hopefully this one fits. Alright. Where's that new filter? Hopefully this one fit, or else we're screwed. Okay, this is it. Then we're good. That's it. It's just bigger. So that means there's gonna be more oil on the filter inside. Okay. Alright. So that's done. And then we're gonna put back the game. Check the tail blood. There's nothing here. To make sure that we don't overtorque that one. It's not for the oil filter. Okay. Okay. Alright. Just like that. Alright, there we go. That should do it. Alright, that should do it. Next we're gonna do add the oil. Okay, get back. Okay, next is we're just gonna add the oil. That's just enough in there. You have not so much space in there. That it works. And then if we're on the pilot, it's 5W20. Okay. This is a high mileage 5W20. It's cheaper. This is only like $13, $14. Feel a lot because the space is so tight. So fix that, rub it down. If we spin, then we're screwed up. Hopefully not. Hopefully everything we need. Space in there is so tight. Barely put that oil in there. Stay there. Wipe that one down. I don't know who fucking engineered this shit, but that shit is so tight in there. Alright, anyway. Fucking recycled oil. 100%. Recycle oil. That's why it's fucking cheap. Right. Let's check that. We're fucking good. Okay. Next part is we're gonna turn on the car. Where's the key at? Where's the key? Oh, over there. Let's go get the key outside to start the car. Make sure there's no oil leak. Baby's outside. Storage over here. Make sure there's no oil leak. Then we're gonna reset. We're resetting the oil life. There you go. Says 100% oil ice. Right, let's check in the bottom. There's no leak. Then we're good to go. No filters, no leak. No leak in there. And there's still a lot of oil. That filter is good. Drain plug is good. Alright, we're gonna recheck if we have enough oil because the car is running already and filter is inside already. Alright, let's see. Let's sit real quick. We'll see. Sure that's on level. Triple check everything, make sure there's enough oil. So we could add a little bit more oil. Alright, that's about it. Right, we're gonna add a little bit because it's not full. Okay. I'm double checking now. I'm not satisfied with the reading. Alright, that's it. It's on the line. So we're good to go. That's about it. That's how you do the oil change for your Honda Pilot. Quick and easy. All right. Peace out. Bye. And just like that, oil change in our daily is done. I'm gonna move this one back. Parking spot, and then after that we're about to go to work. We just did our oil change, so we're gonna park this one next to the Evo, and then get the Evo, and then park the Evo inside. All right, there you go. Right, our daily is fresh, so time to move the Evo inside. All right, peace out.